how to install a Dymo LabelWriter 450. Okay, so you need to go to the downloads page, and I'll put a link at the bottom for that. And what you're going to do then is come down here. See, it says download software drivers and user guides. So you want the label writer for Windows or Mac. If you're going to use it for Windows or Mac, what you're going to do is just click on download, and it will open a new window for you to download it to. Now, I usually download all mine to Downloads Software, but I'm not today. I'm just going to put it in that download folder, and then it says you have to wait for it to be downloaded. Also on this site you can find where to register your product so that it's under warranty. You can have a look at any promotions that they've got on, parts and accessories. So you can go here to order if you want to. I found another site which is cheaper, but you can go through and order different parts. You can also order labels from this site. So you can have a look here, LabelWriter, and thinking. Okay, so these are the different size labels you can buy. Anyway, there's a whole lot of different ones here that you can buy, and they'll all fit in your label writer. Okay, now I'm not going to go through how to fit all that in today. We're just going to do the download. Okay, over here you've got support. So you've got downloads and software drivers and user guides we've been to. You've got your product registration. So you can just go there and you can register your product. Alright, so if you've got a question about your label writer, click on here and it'll go to find the answers. So there's a whole lot of information here. Alright, you can also download the user guide. Alright, so what I'm going to do is pause this for the moment and wait for my download. See down here it's still going and it's got 8 minutes left to go. So I just want to pause the video, and then we'll go through the rest shortly. Alright, so now my package is fully downloaded. I can see it down here on my taskbar, but I can go into my downloads folder and look for it. If you click on it, it'll come up. It'll ask you if you want to make changes, and you say yes. Choose your language, okay, and then click install. And that's pretty much it. So you download the drivers from the Dymo site, and then you click install. Now to set it up, you'll need to plug the USB cable into your computer, and then you will need to plug the other cable into a power socket. So you're going to go through all this. You accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click install. Okay, my setup's not going to work because I've already got it set up. So just keep going through all of this. until it installs. Alright? And then click finish. So that's pretty much how to install it. Okay? So I'll do another video when I've got time on how to set it up.
Hey, if you wanna play, make it a brighter place. It'll take creation, imagination. Try to draw out